Hi OpenAI team, this is me Samrat Paudel, currently studying Bachelor in Computer Science in New Summit College under Trivandrum University. Your question was, what's something you help make happen on campus? I think my title was Campus Hackathon. My response video was also Campus Hackathon. One thing I helped make happen on campus was participating in a hackathon where I would with a team to build a solution to a real world problem. My main responsibility was on the technical side where I helped design and develop the solution. During the hackathon, we had a limited time, so we had to quickly understand the problem, discuss idea, divide the work, and start building the new thing or new project on the basis. I work on the technical implementation and help solve the challenges we face while developing the project things. Uh, what I am most proud of is that we didn't stop at just having an idea and making a presentation. By the end of the hackathon, our team had successfully built a working project. The experiments taught me how important teamwork, problem solving idea, and learning quickly are when building something under pressure. This is my video response for your question. Thank you, OpenAI team. I wish you give me a best response in this project. Thank you.